Hey there, ready to log a dive from your past and make it part of your official dive records? No worries, we've got you covered. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process of creating a historical dive record on skill and depth. Let's dive right in and make sure everything is accurately captured. First, head over to the Skill and Depth platform. Next, click on Create a Dive Record. This will open up a new form where you can start entering the details of your dive. Now, pick the role you had during the dive, whether you were a diver or a dive supervisor. This choice helps categorize your record correctly. Next up, choose the diving mode that was used for this particular dive. Click Continue to move forward in the dive record creation process. Read the message. Set your preferred units by selecting metric or imperial. Click Save to confirm the chosen measurement units. It's time to set the scene. Start by providing the location details. Next, provide geographical data. Next, enter details about the dive itself. Details include diving mode and diving platform as mandatory fields. Dive physical characteristic can be left empty. Though optional, this section is super helpful. Provide information about the environmental conditions during the dive. It's a great way to paint a full picture of your experience. Once you are satisfied with data entered, click on Next to go to the next step. Select the type of breathing apparatus you used. While these fields are optional, it's always nice to give a complete picture of the dive by listing the equipment you used. This includes everything from your suit to any specialized equipment. Time to log your gas cylinder details. Start by inputting the data. Then click on Save to save it. Proceed to the next section. Depending on the diving mode selected on the first step of creation of the dive record, you will get different options here. For example, for scuba diving we need to enter data about the dive event. No matter what section shows, the process is the same. Click on Add button, add data, and save it. It is really easy. So let's click on Add Dive Event button here. Proved all data required by the form. Mandatory fields are marked with a star next to the title of the field. Save the data. If everything went smoothly, you should have a card with all data entered. Double check it, and if you are happy, proceed. Keep in mind that some dive modes have multiple cards that need to be entered. Now, you'll need to list the tasks you performed during the dive. This could include inspections, repairs, or any other activities. Choose the relevant structures, systems, devices, objects, and materials. Now, select all the activities you performed during the dive. Choose the tools that were used during the dive. This provides additional context to the tasks performed. Proceed to the next section. Input information about your rest, diet, hydration, medications, supplements, and physical activity on the day of the dive. While these fields are optional, they add valuable context to your record. Enter details regarding your mental wellness and hygiene. This step is important for providing a holistic view of your dive day. The next step is really important. It is about incidents. We take the security and well-being of divers very seriously. If there have been any incidents, please describe them and give as much detail as possible. Only by being transparent we can improve the standards in our industry. Each page has a header with an indication of the current step and a list of all steps required. You can click Go Back to get to the Skill and Depth app, or you can click on one of the previous steps in order to get back to that step. If you're not done or need to take a break, no problem. Use the Save and Continue Later option to save your progress. Only you will be able to see this draft until you're ready to finalize it. If you have any relevant documents or pictures related to the dive, you can upload them here. Once you've reviewed all your entries, click Save to complete your dive record. Now your dive record is clearly visible in the list of your dive records. Next to it, you will see the status completed, indicating that this dive record is fully done, but not yet verified. An icon next to it is the button that you can click and get the verification link. This is the process of verification of level 1, and you can get more details by viewing this section in our app. The last button that you can use is the copy button. If you have a couple of similar dive records, you are able to copy one record and all of its values. Creating the next one will only include changing a couple of items. Congratulations! You've successfully created a historical dive record. This record is now part of your official log and can be verified or edited as needed. Happy diving, and keep those records accurate and up to date.